We are not problem finders, we are problem solvers. So we deal with a lot of different dynamics in our day-to-day.
I like to think that when you like what you do, you never really work. And I try to think about that and implement it in every part of my day.
The day-to-day things that go on here are very challenging, but it's good. You know, you learn something every day and continue to move forward.
This job is way better than any other job I've ever had. I've been doing retail my whole life, and to step into something in the car industry, you know, you'd think it's all salesy and stuff. Well, that's not what it is at all. It's actually really fun, and I'm learning a lot of new things.
I really like the office environment. Everyone comes to work with a good, positive attitude, and everyone here cares about each other, wants each other to succeed.
Working at VettX it's pretty cool. You know, there's a really cool group of people who work here. You know, we work hard, we play hard.
There's something going on, there's a problem to overcome, and then we have a lot of success stories.
Working at VettX, since it is a startup and we're working with proprietary technology, I actually get to work hand in hand with one of the owners on a new recall system, and it's cool just seeing that evolve and being on the ground floor of something new.
Coming from a traditional workplace, now working at VettX, you know, a startup company, the environment is so completely different. And to sum it all up, you know, I'm happy here. It's fun. And, you know, not a lot of people can say that.
If I were an employee, I would want to come to work every single day, and I would be passionate about doing so. Depending on what department you're in, doesn't matter, because every single department works hand in hand together. We're kind of like an engine. If one piece of that engine's missing, the engine doesn't operate.
So I've always been a car guy. Before I started working at VettX, I was always looking around for hot rods and cool cars, and always been interested in what's out there. Now I get to do it for a living. I get to look all over the United States, talk to different people, negotiate prices, bring those prices down to somewhere that it makes sense for dealerships, and be able to make a living out of it.
So when I first got hired at VettX, I was hired as a data entry employee, and I quickly moved up to the phone team. And then after being on the phone team for a while, you know, I got another promotion. You know, there's just so much room for growth. Anyone who starts in this company has the opportunity to move up if they prove themselves and work hard enough.
One of the great things about being in the VettX environment is the fact that they really care about their employees. I mean, we are a team. Single moms, single dads, you may have a dog that needs special attention. We work with you. We have a fluid schedule.
Everyone's really respectful of each other. Everyone really cares about each other. It's a really good environment. Making a lot of friends has been one of my favorite parts about working here.
How many jobs are there where you're sitting in your office and yeah, you might be getting a check, you're getting paid well for what you do, but are you being challenged? Are you staring out the window wishing you were doing something else? Wishing that there was an opportunity where you can really be yourself, be creative, have opportunities to travel the country, be challenged to an extent that you've never been challenged before? Do you feel like you have more worth than what's currently being presented to you? If that's the case, come talk to us.